Welcome to my YouTube channel. Halim Sir's pronunciation practice 6. Let's start by practicing English letters with alphabet sound.
The alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, L, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, L, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is the English alphabet.
Letters, words, sentences.
A.
Today, Saturday.
Today is Saturday, not Friday. B.
Beat, beast.
He always beats the beast. C.
Cinema, citizens.
The citizens see the cinema. D.
Debaters, defeat.
The debaters defeated the opponents. E.
Eagle, eat.
Eagles eat eggs of hens. F.
Fan, fine.
The fan is fine. G.
Gene, general.
The generous general went to the gym. H.
Catch, touch.
Can you touch the match? I.
I.
Bye-bye. I want to die because I don't want to look at your eyes. J.
Jane, jail.
Jane was jailed for 2 years. K.
Kate, cake.
Kate baked the cake for me. L.
Let, learn.
Let's learn the language by listening.
M.
Mike's mother.
Mike's mother's a nun.
N. Nancy. No.
Nancy never says no.
O.
Go, over.
Get, set, go. Game is over.
P.
Practice. Perfect.
Practice makes a man perfect.
Q.
Queen, quite.
She was quite a queen.
R.
Right. Road.
Is this the right road?
S.
Scene, scene.
Have you seen the last scene?
T.
Totality. Personality.
Personality means totality of a person.
U.
U. University.
Do you read at Duck University?
V.
Valuable. Vote.
Vote is valuable.
W.
Where? Were.
Well, where's?
X.
Xmas. X-ray.
We bought the X-ray on the last Xmas day.
Y.
Yes. Yet.
Has it said yes yet?
Z.
Xenia, the cinema.
Xenia is always jealous at the cinema.
Introduction to consonant sounds.
Cake. Chemists. Cassette. Cigarette. Pen. Book. Ticket. Dictionary. Camera. Goal. Family. Van. Stamp. Zoo. Letter. Magazine. Newspaper. Handbag. Restaurant. Window. One.
Telephone.
2.
Email.
3.
Television.
4.
Photograph.
5.
Passport.
6.
Police.
7.
Toilet.
8.
Radio.
Saturday,
Sunday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday.
Thirteen. 30. 14. 40. 15. 50. 16. 60. 17. 70. 18. 80. 19. 90. 13. 30. 14. 40. 15. 50. 16. 60. 17. 70. 18. 80. 19. 90. 13. 30. 14. 40. 15. 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90, 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90, 13,
Hello, I'm Jane. This is my cat. Her name's Pepper. She's 3 years old and she's very intelligent, I think. That's my dog, Sam. Sam's 12 years old now. He's a very nice dog, but he's very stupid.
One. He's a man. I know him. 2. He's my brother. I love him. 3. Do you know him? Yes, I do. 4. Can you help me? No, I'm sorry. 5. Can I use your pen? 6. Oh, sure.
Listen and repeat with fluency, accuracy, and speed.
I'm an ordinary person, but I have a great vision of life. I want to learn how to speak very good English. I feel zealous at those people who speak better English than I do. I'm learning phonetics to win over those people.
Dear viewers, write your feelings to the comment box of this video or my Facebook page, Halim Sir SP. See you again with another video soon. Have a nice day. Wishing you a golden future. Thank you. Goodbye.